looking at our new 2015 Mini Cooper. This is a coupe. It's a two-seater. I know it's May 2020, but hey, this is our brand new car. We just want to give you guys a quick look at our car. This is the model I always wanted, and I was fortunate to find one here in the 2015 Coupe at Tom Bush Mini here in town. So here we are, and let's take a look at my brand new car. Here we go. Let me show you the inside. It's a 4-cylinder, 2-seater. Let's take a look at the inside of the 2015 Mini Cooper Coupe. So excited to have this car. You guys just don't know, I love this model. This is the model I always wanted, and I know, like I say, it's 2020, but hey, I love this car and this model. So I'm excited to have my 2015 Mini Cooper Coupe. This is the Cooper S, which is a sports model. This is a turbo. It has a spoiler on the back, so when you hit 50 miles an hour, this will pop up, or you can also do it manually with the button inside. Like I said, this is the Cooper S, so this is twin turbo. This is the sports model. It's not the John Cooper Works, but very nice. It's in great shape, and I love it. Absolutely love it. This is my new baby, you guys. We can't wait to customize it. We're already looking at maybe some red or blue stripes to go on it as well. So we are excited, and we just wanted to show you our new little Mini Cooper. We love it. We're so excited. We can't wait to add stuff to it and make it our own. So you guys, if you have any suggestions, leave us comments in the bottom. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe to the LoelPolo channel. And now we're also doing our Mini Cooper as well. We had a Mini Cooper back in 2013. It was a Mini Cooper hardtop. It was a 2-door. It was the hatchback. But now we're excited to be back with Mini Cooper. We love it so much, and so we're excited, and we can't wait to deck our new car out. So you guys stay tuned, and we hope to do more videos on our Mini Cooper Coupe. So thanks you guys, and stay tuned for more exciting stuff, and we love you guys. Thanks to all our subscribers as well, and welcome to our new car. Bye you guys.